Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 8.2 question number 3. Write the following decimals in the place value table. Here you see this is my place value table. We will write the decimals in this place value table. This is ones. Here you see this is ones, tens, hundred. This is the whole part, and tenth, hundredth, and thousand. This is the decimal part, right? Question number is 0.29, right? Here you see the point is 0. 0 means it is in ones place. 0, it is in ones place. 0 is in ones place, and 2 is in tenths place, tenths, and 9 is in hundredth place, hundredth. That means ones place, in ones place you have to write 0. In tenth place, the place value of 2 is tenth, therefore it is 2. Therefore it is 2. And the place value of 9 is 100, therefore it is 100, right? Now question number B. Question number B, you see, question number B is 2.01. This is the ones place, 2 is the ones place, 0 is the tenths place, and 8 is the hundredth place. 100 place value, right? Therefore 2 in, we have to write 2 in ones place, tenth in 0, tenth 0, and in hundredth place it is 8, right? That is question number B. Question number C is 1960. Here you write this is ones place, this is tens place, this is tenth, and this is hundredth place, hundredth, right? Therefore in ones place we'll write 9, in ones place we'll write 9, in tens place it is 1, in tenth place it is 6, and in hundredth place it is 0, right? Now question number D. Question is 14832. That means here you see this is ones, this is ones, this is tenth, this is hundreds, right? And after point 3 that is tenth place, and 2 is in hundredth place, right? Therefore in ones place we'll write 8, in ones place we'll write 8, in tens place we'll write 4, and in hundredth place we'll write 1. After that in tenth place we'll write 3, and in hundredth place we'll write 2, right? Now question number E. Question number E, you see this is ones place, this is tens, this is hundred, and 8 is in tenth, 1 is in hundredth, and 2 is in thousands place, right? Therefore in ones place we'll write 0, in ones place we'll write 0, this is 0, ones place it is 0, in tens place it is also 0, in tens place it is also 0, and in hundred place it is 2, and in tenth place it is 8, tenth place it is 8, and in hundredth place it is 1, and in thousand place it is 2. This is the solution of question number 3, exercise 8.2.